So here we want to look at how to break down a rational expression. All right, so the first thing we want to do when we have a rational expression is just to break it down through factoring. So let's look at this one. We've got x squared minus 5x minus 36 divided by 6x minus 30 times x squared minus 25 divided by x squared minus 11x plus 18. So we want to break this down and simplify this as much as we possibly can. So the first thing we want to do, let's look at the numerator. Let's factor this as x minus 9 times x plus 4. Then in the denominator, the greatest common factor is 6, so that's going to be 6 times x minus 5. Now, x squared minus 25, that's a difference of squares, so that's going to be x plus 5 and x minus 5. And then our denominator here, x squared minus 11x plus 18, that's going to be x minus 9 times x minus 2. Now we need to go through and simplify everything. So let's go through here. First, the x minus 9, that's going to cancel. And also the x minus 5s are going to cancel. So now what we're left with is x plus 4 times x minus 5 over 6 times x minus 2. You can simplify that more through factoring, but that's our result. Now, the next problem here, the main thing we want to look at and notice is we have division. So one of the earliest rules we learn is that when we divide by a fraction, or when we divide by a rational expression, we multiply by the reciprocal. All right, so the first thing I want to do is factor everything to break it down. So x squared minus x minus 56, that's going to give us x minus 8 times x plus 7. Here, that's going to get x squared plus 8x minus 48. That's going to give us x plus 12 times x minus 4. X squared plus 2x minus 35. X plus 7 times x minus 5. And x squared plus 9x minus 36. That's going to give us x plus 12 times x minus 3. Okay, but the first thing we need to do here before we do anything, we're going to rewrite this equation. We're going to rewrite the left side of the expression, And now we're going to multiply by the reciprocal. So we're going to flip this part. And now once we write this down, we can go back through and cancel out as needed. Now we have the x plus 12s are going to cancel, and the x plus 7s are going to cancel. Okay, so what we're left with for this expression is x minus 8 times x minus 3 divided by x minus 4 times x minus 5. Like I said, you could FOIL that numerator and denominator out if needed, just to simplify it all the way. But this is how we want to break down our rational expressions.